stupid. Off to a good start.
Hi, my name's Daniel and welcome to my shop. First things first, we gotta go to Liberty Hardwood and get material.
You ready to go to Liberty?
All right, let's do it.
Safety first, Max. Seatbelt.
Hi.
Hello.
What can I get started for you today?
Can I get a large Caramelicious?
Hot?
Cold.
Iced or blended?
Iced. And,
Extra shots?
of course, one at least. One extra shot. What would you like?
Just a black coffee.
And a large black coffee for my man in the
And a
back.
large black coffee?
Yeah. There's a weirdo filming me in the back seat.
Yeah, I was like, what's going on? You're a big deal.
Not really, no.
I'll have that right now.
Thank you.
Like how patronizing she is. Oh, you're a big deal? That's nice. Look, I drink real coffee like a real man when I'm at home, but when I come to scooters, yo, give me that Caramelicious. That thing is amazing. It's one of the reasons why I can't lose weight. That and cheeseburgers. Come on, buddy. I forgot to open the garage doors.
So, these are the slats that were on the bench before. As you can tell, they've seen some stuff. It looks like they've been through the Great War. Anyway, all we really need is the overall length, the width, and a couple of them have some round over profiles or what's left of them. So that should be pretty easy to replicate. Let's go. Well, they're basically 48 inches, kind of what I suspected, like 2.5. And then there are only two that have roundovers, so which would be the top rail and the bottom rail, so you don't hit your neck on a round or on a square edge, and you don't hit the back of your legs on a square edge. Look, Mom, I'm using dust collection. Woodworking. All right, next step, we're just gonna rip these to 2.5 inches, and then after we do that, we'll chop them down to their final length. Right, Max? He don't care. I forgot to count how many pieces I need. 2, 4, 6, that's it, 6. We got way more than enough wood. All right, if you notice, I was struggling to cut that one and it burnt right there. That's because you can see the wavy pattern in the grain right here. It kind of goes like that, and I cut right down the middle. Usually there's tension in the wood, and what happened was, as I cut it, the wood started bowing in on itself like that, and it was pinching the blade and the riving knife, so it gets hard to push. If you don't feel comfortable pushing it through, don't finish the cut, turn off the saw, and remove the board. I feel comfortable doing that. I've been doing this for many, many, many years, you know, despite all the negative comments on TikTok. But yeah, if you don't feel comfortable pushing that through, stop, because that could be very dangerous. Stop what you're doing, because I'm about to ruin the image and the style that you used to. I look funny, but you're all making money, see? So yo world, I hope you're ready for me. So gather round. No? put a stop block on my miter saw. And with the zero clearance insert, it makes it real easy to get what I want. And with these, you know, they don't have to be accurate. This isn't fine furniture. They just gotta all be the same length. This is a good stop block in theory. In theory. It doesn't even hit that way. I don't usually cut pieces this small on this miter saw. I usually use this miter saw for breaking down large pieces of lumber, but it is what it is. Live and learn, right? Put a mark on there. Should have been more ready. Max one's in. He's had enough of this crap. Clampage. Jed clampage. Trip over the pieces. Maneuver. It's like a maze in here. Super fun. Super fun. Pretty sure the holes for the bolts are right in the middle, but I need to figure out how far in from the edge they are. So, measure. All right, so we'll just use this one. This one looks like it's the best case to measure. I mean, the rest of them are pretty tore up, so we can go oversized 3/4 of an inch and use a washer. 3/4 of an inch. And then that hole would be 3/8 of an inch hole. Okay. All right, pro tip. These are the scraps from what I just cut. You don't need to save them. Put them in the burn pile. What is 2.5 divided by 2? 1 and 3/8. Math. That does not look like half. My math is wrong. 2.5. Oh, you're right. It would be 1 1/4. Holy crap! Lesson of the day. Math is hard. All right. Half is 1 1/4. Gosh, now I'm questioning everything. We're gonna take one, drill it, create a jig on the drill press, and they should all be the same after that instead of marking all of them. Did I say that at the top? Instead of marking all of them? How many times can you say instead of marking all of them? Clamps. I'm gonna go get my router and a roundover bit, and we're gonna put some roundovers on all 4 sides, and then on the top and bottom ones we're gonna put a heavier roundover. So I'm gonna switch out roundover bits. Currently I have a 3/8 inch bit in there, and I'm gonna go with a 1/2 inch roundover, And with this being oak, it's gonna tear out, or the likelihood of it tearing out is greater than, like, say a walnut or a maple. So I'm switching from 2 teeth to 4 teeth, or 2 cutters to 4 cutters. For sanding, I'm using the new 3M Extract Cubitron. This is especially great if you are hooked up to a dust extractor system. It's virtually dustless as long as you have good suction at your extractor. So, let's go! I'll show it who's boss. Seemed a lot easier than it should have been. Felt really tough. Okay, here we go. That actually smells really good. Pure tung oil is fantastic. The only thing wrong with it is it takes forever to fully cure. We're talking like 7 to 10 days. But this isn't for me, it's for my neighbor, so it can sit out in his backyard for 7 to 10 days. Truth be told, nobody's gonna sit on this thing. All right. That is probably way too much, but that's okay. I love the way this stuff smells. Most modern hard wax oils, their main ingredient, their base ingredient, is 100% tung oil. So you could buy tung oil in bulk, like I have done. You could buy some beeswax, and you can buy some coconut oil or orange peel oil, something to give it a little bit more fragrance. Throw it into a crock pot on low, melt it all together, bingo bango, you got yourself your own hard wax oil. Of course, if you burn your house down, not my fault. Be careful. And again, with the scraps, don't throw away your scraps. They always come in handy. God, who told you that? Oh, that's way too far apart. There we go. Oh. The longest part of the job right here. Everything else was easy. The world doesn't need to see that. I haven't released my OnlyFans on the world yet, or as I like to call them, my Only Dans. I'll show myself out. This is how we're going to pull it together on the top side. Should be big enough. Oh, look at that. Oof. Don't drop it on your feet. What the heck? All right, friends, this is the refurbished bench. I think it came out pretty good. I think it originally had cedar on it, but I'm a huge fan of white oak, and white oak is an amazing wood for outdoor projects. This bench should last many, many more years to come. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. If you enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate it if you liked, subscribed, and even left me a comment below. Until next time, be kind to one another.